holiday themed video, even though I'm the Grinch. I'm going to be doing a Sugar Plum Fairy tutorial from the Nutcracker. It's one of my favorite Barbie movies ever made. It's also one of my favorite ballets. So I'm going to be doing this and showing you guys how the wig turned out. It did. It didn't turn out as terrible as I thought it did. So let's get started. Okay, so the first step is going to be to apply the eye base. This is the NYX white eye base, the one I usually use, all over the eyelid. The same color the next morning from NYX. I'm just going in using kind of back and forth motions, like windshield wiper, but I'm making sure it's nice and smooth. To blend with this color, I'm taking the same brush and I'm using Home Sweet Home from Sugar Plum. It's just this really pretty light blue, and we're going to work that a little bit lower on the crease. On the brow bone, I'm using another NYX shade. This is called Sin, and it is a really shimmery pink color, and I'm just going to put this all along the brow bone. Just to highlight, usually I would use just like a normal highlighting color, but because we are a Sugar Plum Fairy, I want there to be some glitter involved. Going in with a ColourPop shadow I haven't used in a while. This is Lace. It's this dark shimmery purple, which I felt was appropriate for our look today, because if you're going to be a Sugar Plum Fairy, you gotta have purple in there somewhere. So I am just going to pack this on with a little synthetic brush. And then just use the same brush you use for the crease to blend out these edges. For liner, I'm going in with Jeffree Star's Velour Liquid Lipstick in the color Diamond. It's this pretty lilac shade, and I'm just using a little paintbrush I have that is clean to paint this on with. Now for mascara, I'm going to use the NYX Pink Mascara, and we're gonna brush this on before we add lashes. For lashes, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Fantasy Maker Lashes in Twilight. They did come with the glitter, so I am going to pop these on with some Velour Lash Glue. Alright, so I am just finishing powdering my face. I did my whole base. Nothing ever changes with my base for the most part. So I'm just putting on the NYX HD powder. And now we're going to go on to contour. So I have these kind of pastel pigments. So I think I'm going to use those. So I'm going to take my contour brush, and the blue is the lighter or the darker of the two, so we're going to go in with this blue. It's kind of like a Cinderella blue is how I would describe it. And I just pick a little on the brush and then kind of swirl it in the cap. For the highlight points, I'm going to take this purple that I have, very carefully opening it because all the lids are cracked on these, and I'm just going to mix it up in the lid and use a fan brush to dust it over. For the nose and kind of Cupid's bow, I'm going to use Hippo from ColourPop. And we're going to put it right on the nose, on the Cupid's bow, and just a touch on the chin. And I just kind of pat it in. For eyebrows, I'm going to use Woodstock 24/7 eyeliner pencil from Urban Decay. And you can block out your brows if you want, but mine are so thin I don't think I need to. For lips, I'm going to use Caked Liquid Lip Fondant in Jelly. While I let the liquid lip dry, I'm going to add some of these gems from Wet n Wild just on the kind of outside of my eyes here, and I'm going to mainly use the smaller ones here. Body, I'm going to use a little bit of this white kind of iridescent pigment, and I'm just going to brush this kind of over the collarbones and shoulders. Now I'm going to pop on the wig, which has just been kind of chilling back here. This is the one that I just styled in my wig video, so we are going to bring this over. Alright, so yes, I know my wig is super duper thin and you can see bits and pieces, but you get the picture. So I am going to put on a lip topper. This is the Wet n Wild Pastel Grunge Metallic Liquid Lipstick. So this is the end of my Sugar Plum Fairy tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stick around for tomorrow's video, which will be another kind of nutcrackery themed video. I hope you guys have a good holiday, and I will see you next time.